Did your PC suddenly become slow after a Windows 11 update? Lag, freezing, high disk usage. You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. Many users face performance issues after updates because of background processes, driver conflicts, or corrupted files that can slow everything down. But don't worry, these fixes will help to reduce these issues. Before we begin, we need to create a restore point, because if something goes wrong, you can get back to the previous state. First, let's fix startup apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps and disable everything you don't need. This alone can dramatically speed up your PC. If your disk usage is stuck at 100%, here's the fix. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and disable sysmain. You can also temporarily disable Windows Search to test performance. For a deeper cleanup, I personally use a trusted tool from Chris Titus Tech. This script lets you safely remove bloatware, disable unnecessary services, and optimize Windows in just a few clicks. To use it, open PowerShell as administrator and run this command. You can find it on description box. This is a powerful tool, so always create a restore point before using it. It will open a simple interface where you can choose what to remove or optimize. But here's the important part. Don't just remove everything blindly. Stick to recommended options unless you know exactly what you're doing. Update graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers sometimes cause lag, stutter, FPS drops in game. To do that, open AMD software for AMD and GeForce Experience for NVIDIA graphics card. Here I'm using AMD graphics card, so just do it like me. To get an instant performance boost, search Performance and select Adjust for best performance. This disables unnecessary animations and makes your system faster. Now let's fix corrupted files. Open command prompt as administrator and type sfc/scannow. After that, run DISM RestoreHealth command. This repairs broken update files. For maximum performance, switch to high performance power mode and consider upgrading to an SSD if you're still using a hard drive. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. Comment your issue below. I might fix it in the next video.